In the last video, we had actually seen how function works. Let's see a theoretical aspect of function and then we will move on to learn about how to implement function and various other aspects of functions. Why functions or methods? We had seen in the previous code that we had hidden a lot of complexity through it, and that was our first use of functions. It is used to cope with the complexity. When your size of program increases a lot too much, the program becomes more and more complex. It becomes unruly and you don't want that. You want your program to be understandable. In program or in algorithms, we use a concept called divide and conquer. You divide a large program into smaller subtasks so that you can handle smaller subtasks to get to the bigger task and finally complete the bigger task easily. Using this approach, you don't have to go through a lot of code when you need to debug it. Rather, for each block of code, you can easily do a unit testing. And this smaller, easily understandable block of codes. The next important use of method that we saw in the video is that methods in Java, they help in achieving a very important aspect of object-oriented program, that is abstraction. Henceforth, it helps in hiding the details. It is used to create a black box where the viewer sees the generic code and knows what the function is doing, but he doesn't know how the function is doing. Henceforth, we are delegating the task of solving the low-level problem. The next feature of functional methods is what we saw earlier in the video, where we learned how we can reuse those block of codes without deleting or without writing that entire block of code, just through a method function call. This important feature is called method of function reusability. Hence, we write the code once and we use it many times. We don't need to write the same block of code again and again. Now let's see, how do we create methods? Method definition. You always need to remember this now because this is a very important term that will be used again and again throughout this module and throughout the rest of this video. Method function definition is the first line of the program definition which holds the number and the types of argument. It also tells us about the type of value returned by the function. Let's see, how does a method definition block look? A method definition block has an access specifier, it has a modifier, it has a return type, a method name, and a parameter list. You need to follow this entire when you declare a method. By default, access specifier is public. If you don't declare anything to it, access specifier becomes public. Modifier is optional, but return type and parameter list are actually required in order to call the method definition. In the next set of modules, we will be learning what are access specifier, what is a modifier, why we use return type, and what is return type, method, and the various parameters, or how we pass on parameters into the function. So stay tuned. Thank you.